Not everything that goes into your washer can be tossed into your dryer. In this video, we'll show you 6 things you should never put in the dryer. Bras. Bras should always be air-dried. Not only will the dryer wear out the stretchy spandex, but it can ruin the fit and shape of the bra too. Swimsuits. Similar to bras, the stretchy material in swimwear can be damaged by the dryer heat, ruining its shape and causing the fabric to look distorted. Sweaters and wool items. Sweaters can easily shrink and lose its shape tumbling in a hot dryer, not to mention increased pilling. Be especially careful with wool items as it is very difficult to unshrink wool sweaters. Sneakers. The high heat from the dryer can distort the mesh material. Additionally, the heat can damage the adhesives that hold your sneakers together, causing breakage at the seams. Non-slip mats and rugs. Some bath mats are fine to go into the dryer, but the ones with a rubber back should be air-dried. The heat from the dryer can damage the rubber, causing it to crumble and crack. Furry items. Take it from our experience, never put any fur items in the dryer, whether real or fake. The fur fibers can easily melt in the dryer heat, turning your once fluffy, soft and cozy garment into an ugly, rough Brillo pad. As always, the important thing is to check the care labels before you do your laundry. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.